Hello everyone, welcome back to the Multifix channel. If your laptop is showing Reboot and Select Proper Boot Device, or PXE-E61 error, don't worry, today I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Change BIOS mode. First, restart your laptop and enter the BIOS settings. Now go to the boot section. Here, change the boot mode from Legacy to UEFI. After that, save changes and restart your PC. Sometimes, this step alone can fix the problem. Step 2. Check hard drive. If the problem is not fixed, then the issue might be with your hard drive. Turn off your laptop and open the back cover. Now check if the HDD or SSD is properly connected or loose. If it is loose, reconnect it properly and try again.